Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, I hope you're always healthy and stay motivated to learn. Let me introduce myself. I am Amelia Rahmatul Fitri with study number from the Biology Education Study Program, University of Jember. As we know, every living creature has similar physical characteristics and characteristic to its parent. In this video, we will discuss something you probably hear very often. Have you ever been told that you look like your father or mother? For example, curly hair, a pointed nose, or skin color. All these similarities occur because of heredity, which is the process of passing down character or traits from parents of their offspring. Every living organism has similarity in physical feature and trait with its parent. The explanation of this inheritance was first described by Gregor Johann Mendel, who conducted various crossbreeding experiments, one of which was on pea plants. Pea plants were chosen because they can self-pollinate, are easy to grow, have a short life cycle, and produce many offspring. Because of his contribution to understanding heredity, Mendel is known as the father of genetics. In Mendel experiment, we will encounter several important terms. Allele, a pair of genes on homologous chromosomes located at the same locus. Genotype. Genotype is the genetic composition that cannot be seen. For example, capital K, lowercase k, and lowercase k. Phenotype is observable traits such as round or wrinkles. Parental, or we can say it's P, it's the parents. Filial or Phi, the offspring from the cross. Homozygous, pair of identical allele. Heterozygote, a pair of different allele. Dominant is a trait that marks another trait. Recessive is a trait that is marks. Intermediate, a new trait that appears from the combination of two equally strong parents. So, Mendel's first law comes to law of segregation. In Mendel experiment, the first law is known as the law of segregation, which states that pair of gene or allele separate from each other during the formation of gamete in meiosis. Mendel's first law is divided into two parts. The first part is complete dominant monohybrid. A complete dominant monohybrid cross is a cross that produces offspring with traits identical to one of the parents. In the second part is intermediate monohybrid. In an intermediate monohybrid, the dominant trait does not fully appear. So, the F1 phenotype is a blend of the two parental traits. Mendel's second law is the hybrid. Besides monohybrid crosses, Mendel also conducted the hybrid crosses, which are crosses between two individuals involving two different traits. Friends, that's the complete material about Mendel's first and second law. I hope this explanation helps you understand how traits can be inherent from parents to their offspring. Thank you.